In this video, we'll cover how to add devices on the Remote Control web app. After setting up an account and logging into the Remote Control web app, you will be directed to the device's landing page. Before getting started, please make sure both your computer and web relay are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, select Add Device. For display name, a default name based off of your MAC address will be used. Changing the name is optional. For location name, typically a unique name is used to describe where or how the relay is being used. For the MAC address, navigate back to the web relay's web interface and copy your MAC address, which will be in the Settings tab and under App Remote Control section. For IP address, copy the same IP address listed on the web relay's web interface. The username and password will be both listed as admin. Next, select Save Device. On the web relay's web interface, please wait for the device to go online. Navigate back to the Remote Control web app to confirm the device is online. For more information, please contact us.